High Court has directed the state government to ensure the strict implementation of menstrual leave across both organized and unorganized sectors. The order was passed on Wednesday in the case of Chandravva Hanamant Gokavi, State of Karnataka, following a petition filed by a woman working in a hotel. The petitioner stated that her job involved physical strain and poor workplace conditions, and that the menstrual leave policy was not being properly enforced. The development was reported by bar and bench. The policy notified in December 2025 provides one paid menstrual leave per month to women employees aged between 18 to 52 years. The bench, led by Justice M. Nagaprasanna, held that the state must ensure the implementation of the policy across all sectors, including the unorganized workforce, and not restrict it to formal employment alone. The court observed that while men and women are equal under the law, biological differences justify special protections for women. It further stated that menstrual leave is not a privilege, but a matter of dignity, fairness, and recognition of lived realities. The bench also noted that such measures strengthen the constitutional guarantees of the right to life and equality, and cautioned the state against being deterred by misplaced interpretations of Article 14. The court further observed that the state legislature is already considering a related bill and referred to similar laws in other jurisdictions, affirming that menstrual leave is rooted in constitutional rights. The High Court directed the state government to ensure that the benefits reach workers in the unorganized sector and to continue implementing the policy until formal legislation is enacted. It also instructed that rules must be framed without delay once the law is passed.